A court process that cancels some debt and provides relief for creditors. Chapter 7, sometimes called a straight bankruptcy, is a liquidation proceeding. Chapter 13, sometimes called a reorganization proceeding, is filed by individuals who want to pay off their debts over a period of 3 to 5 years. Bankruptcy. Title lacks the rights and privileges of ownership. Bare naked title. A deed that conveys ownership from the grantor to the grantee without any expressions of warranty, often used in a legal proceeding, also called grant deed. Bargain and sale deed. A primary line running east to west that establishes a north and south boundary in a rectangular survey system of legal land description. Baseline. A buyer's initial cost for a real estate purchase, the dollar amount the Internal Revenue Service attributes to an asset in determining annual gain or loss or depreciation on the sale of the asset. Basis. Local markers that surveyors can use as starting points for determining elevation. Benchmark. The right to use and enjoy property. Beneficial use. One who receives a benefit refers to the lender in a trust deed. Beneficiary. To leave or transfer property to someone else via a will. Bequeath. A gift of personal property given in a will. Bequest. One who leaves property to others in a will. Bequestor. A contract in which the parties expressly enter into mutual agreements or engagements, e.g., a real estate sales contract. Each party promises to perform some act. Bilateral Contract. An instrument in writing that transfers ownership of tangible personal property. Examples given: furniture. Bill of sale. A short-term contract that can be used in certain parts of the country to hold a real estate transaction together until other arrangements are made. It does not contain specifics. Examples given: inspection provisions, closing date. 2. Money given by a buyer upon signing a sales contract, showing the buyer's intention to carry out the terms of the contract. Binder. A single mortgage loan where two or more different parcels of property are offered as security for the loan. Blanket mortgage. An advertisement in which a licensee attempts to advertise a property for sale without disclosing his or her licensee status, or when a licensee attempts to mislead the public into believing a property is for sale by owner. Blind ad. An illegal act whereby owners are encouraged to sell their property because minorities are moving into their neighborhood, also known as panic selling or panic peddling. Blockbusting. A law restricting the sale of certain items on Sundays. Blue law. Laws regulating the sale of securities, intended to protect consumers from fraud. Blue sky laws. Standardized language used in contracts for the sake of efficiency and completeness. Boilerplate. Genuine and with good faith, without fraud or deceit. Bona fide. Taxable, not like-kind property used in an exchange, such as cash or other personal property that is used to balance an exchange of real property. Can be borrowed. Boot. A physical location separate from a broker's main office that is used by licensees to meet or consult with clients or customers on a regular basis. Branch office. An unexcused failure to perform according to the terms of a contract. Breach. A short-term loan that occurs between the termination of one loan and the beginning of another, also called gap loan or swing loan. Bridge loan. An extension of a title search to verify that no liens have been filed against a property between the time of the original search and the recording of the deed or mortgage, also called continuance. Bring down endorsement. Contract clause that entitles a listing broker to a commission if the property sells in a specified time frame and the broker or an affiliated licensee introduced the buyer to the property during the listing period. Broker protection clause. A company that brings persons together for the purpose of making real estate transactions. Brokerage.